custom features that go beyond the standard setup usually need extra programming. That can get expensive, take longer to implement, and sometimes lead to unexpected issues. With our flexible shop floor setup, you can tailor it to your specific needs without the need for additional programming. First, click on Setup and choose the shop floor setup. Now you are presented with the Setup menu, where you have plenty of options to tailor the settings in your shop floor without any additional programming. As you'll see here, you have many options to change a variety of settings that is already built in. This enables you to tailor the solution to you without any coding. Additional functionality within the solution is that you can customize the views of the tables by yourself. You just select the one you want, enter where you want them to be, and then you're done. And lastly, setting up how jobs are executed on the shop floor can be done by a few clicks of a button. We use user-friendly interfaces, which ease the implementation and give you control over how you want your installation to work. Because we are using standardized processes, we can deliver you an implementation with a highly predictable timeline, and you can be up and running within days.